Hello everyone, how to reset your messenger pin code. Start your messenger application on your device. Make sure log into your messenger account. Tap on your account. After then, top right bottom you see this option 3 dot line. Tap on here. After then you find this option setting. Tap on setting. When you tap on setting menu, you find this option safety and privacy. Tap on here. When you tap, you also see this option end and end encrypted chat. Click into here. When you click here, you find this option message stores. Tap on here. When you tap, you find this option reset pin. Click into here, enter your pin, and after then you confirm your pin. Thanks for watching this video.